Hello, my friends. My name is Mia.
And I'm a mom. This is my husband, David, and our two lovely children, Anna and Peter. Today is Sunday, our favorite family day. You can listen to our story and practice English with us. It's simple, real, and full of small adventures. Morning. A gentle start Sunday morning begins with soft sunlight. Anna and Peter are still asleep, their faces calm and peaceful. We open the curtains. Bright sunlight fills the room. A new day has begun. Time to wake up the kids. We touch their shoulders and whisper softly, "Good morning." They move slowly, rubbing their eyes. A new Sunday has started. Next comes the first mission of the day, brushing teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Little faces look back from the mirror, covered in white bubbles. They giggle and splash water. When they finish, we smile and clap. Good job. Well done, we say proudly. Breakfast time. Breakfast is simple and cozy. Anna loves toast with strawberry jam. Peter prefers cereal with cold milk. Sweet toast. Crunchy cereal. Fresh milk. We eat together slowly. A warm and quiet family breakfast. Then it's time to get ready. Anna wears her little pink jacket.
Peter struggles with his long shoelaces.
I help Anna, and David helps Peter. Teamwork. At the park outside, the air feels fresh. We see yellow flowers by the fence and a big brown dog running happily across the street. The children point and laugh. Birds are singing in the trees. The street feels calm and peaceful. At the park, Anna runs to the swing. She moves back and forth, her hair flying in the wind. Peter climbs up to the slide, goes down, and climbs again. We sit on a bench side by side, holding warm cups of tea. A soft breeze touches our faces. The children laugh and play, and when they are happy, we are happy too. I love Sundays, I say. Yes, David smiles. Sundays are the best. Lunch in the mall, after the park.
We get into the car.
Anna and Peter sit in the back, singing softly along with the music. The sky is blue. The road is calm. It's our family day, I say. And yes, family day feels special. Soon, we reach the shopping mall. It's bright and busy. Lights, shops, and people everywhere. The children look around with wide eyes. But first, it's time for lunch. We go upstairs to the food court, so many choices. Pizza, noodles, burgers. But we choose something healthy, rice with vegetables and chicken soup. Warm rice. Fresh soup. Simple, tasty, and good for the body. We eat slowly, talking and smiling. I say, healthy food makes a strong family. And everyone nods.
We drink water, not soda. A small but good choice.
After lunch, we walk around the mall, bookstores, clothes, toys. At the bookstore, Anna stops by a shelf of picture books. Bright colors, big animals. Peter finds a toy car. He picks it up, looks at it, then carefully puts it back. We don't buy much today. Just the joy of looking, sharing, and being together. The movie. Now it's time for the movie. A fun, family-friendly story everyone can enjoy. We buy tickets and join the line with other families. The children look up at the big, colorful posters. Movie! I whisper. Their faces light up instantly. Of course! We buy popcorn. Warm, crunchy, and salty. The smell fills the air. Inside the theater, the lights go dark. The big screen shines.
Music begins.
Anna leans back in her seat. Peter hugs his popcorn box tightly. Their eyes are full of wonder. Sometimes, I look at them more than the movie. Their smiles say everything. For 2 hours, we sit together. No phones, no distractions, just family and joy. When the lights come on, everyone is smiling. The movie was funny, sweet, and full of dreams. As we walk out, Anna points at the poster again. Peter holds my hand tightly. They don't say much, but their faces tell every story. Evening at home, evening arrives. The house feels calm and warm. I cut apples, bananas, and soft bread. I pour warm milk into small cups. Anna, Peter, come here, I call gently. Little feet run to the table. Sweet apples, soft bananas, bread that melts in the mouth. They eat slowly, quietly, a peaceful evening snack. After that, it's playtime. Blocks go up, towers rise, then fall. Laughter fills the room. When playtime ends, I say, clean up time. Small hands pick up toys, one by one. The room is neat again. Now it's story time. I open a colorful book with animals. We sit close on the bed. The cat sleeps. The dog sleeps. I read softly.
Anna and Peter listen quietly, their eyes growing heavy. Soon, they close their eyes too.
I tuck the blanket around them, kiss their foreheads, and whisper, "Good night." Good night means love. Good night means peace. The children breathe softly as they fall asleep. David and I sit together. The day is over. From morning to night, every moment was full of love. Park, lunch, movie, home. A full Sunday, a day to remember. Emma smiling. Thank you, my friends, for spending this day with us. This was our Sunday. A simple, happy day full of English words and real-life moments. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new with Spoken English course. Please like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, how do you spend your Sunday? See you next time, my friends. Natural spoken English tone. Light emotional rhythm for narration. Channel name Spoken English course added smoothly flow. Story order and meaning preserved.